Hey guys, so it is Saturday and I'm here with Rashad.
No, you're not.
Yes I am, so can you please say hi to my viewers? He's just so nice. Okay, anyways. So I'm here at the park. And we are studying for finals, because finals is this week. But it's a gorgeous day out, so we decided to study at the park. No need for your comments. Okay. Anyways. So annoying. Guys, look at my outfit. Woo.
Thank you. I'm very annoying. You're annoying too.
It's okay, I left it, you know. Anyways, so yeah. Let's get started with studying. Woo! So we've been studying and we've seen like lizards and squirrels and chipmunks and then here's a bunny. Isn't it cute? It's a big bunny. She's eating the grass. You know, cute. Oh my god. We've seen like 2 lizards like chasing each other. They're like mating. And then we've seen 2 squirrels that have been that have been chasing each other too to mate. Oh my god, this bunny is just so adorable. And it's wild and so cute and it's oh my god. I love nature so much. Like you have no idea. I love nature. Oh, there's the lizard. Hi, you wanted to have a video tour? Your mate went away because you just ditched her, you know? Hey! Okay, so we finished studying. Now we're gonna go walk. Yeah! Oh, yeah! Recording, guys.
Is it recording now?
It's recording.
Okay, it's recording.
Alright.
Go do the limbo.
What's up? That's good, right there.
Don't put your last name on there.
No, don't put my last name on there.
Alright.
That's one way to do it, right?
No, you're not videotaping me.
What?
No, you're not videotaping. No, go the other way.
What? You going in the water?
No.
Oh, good. What? He's crazy. Rashad! What are you doing? See, that's why you don't do that. You're on the other side of the beach.
By the docking where the boats were.
Mm-hmm.
I just like drifted out there.
And then it popped in the middle of the lake.
Yeah, I was like 50 feet, like by the beach sand, whatever, and it popped.
That sucks.
It's alright.
It's alright. Aight. How you doing?
I'm doing good. I'm sweaty.
Yeah. He just had a really good walk. I mean, actually jog, sprint, whatever.
Had a sprint.
Yeah.
MK?
You're just so amazing.
YTKSTLK. Yeah! Pokemon. Right. Oh, camera on?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, crap.
So we're walking back and then we're going to your house, right?
I'm gonna do that in the summer.
Yeah. Look at him! Yeah! He's carrying my backpack. Yeah. And his backpack.